In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with a free trial of YouTube Premium. This is a great opportunity to experience all the benefits of YouTube Premium without any upfront cost. By following along, you'll be able to enjoy ad-free videos, the ability to download content for offline viewing, exclusive access to YouTube Originals, and much more, all for free, at least for a month. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and type in the address youtube.com/premium. This is where the magic begins. On this page, you'll notice a special offer banner inviting you to try 1 month free of YouTube Premium. It's an enticing offer that you won't want to miss, especially if you've been contemplating giving it a shot. Once you're on this page, take a moment to read through the listed benefits. It's important to familiarize yourself with everything you're about to access. Next, ensure you are signed into your YouTube account. This is a crucial step because the free trial is tied to your personal account. If you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and do so now. Use the account you intend to experience all these premium features with, but do make sure that this account has not previously claimed this free trial offer. Keep in mind, each account is eligible for only one free trial. Afterward, it's time to enter your payment method details. I know this step can sometimes feel a bit daunting, but rest assured, signing up for the trial will not result in any immediate charges. It's simply a necessary part of the subscription process, having a payment method on file. Now, the key thing to remember is to cancel the trial before the renewal period if you decide not to continue with the paid subscription. This way, you won't incur any charges beyond the trial period, allowing you to enjoy everything risk-free. Finally, with everything set up, go ahead and click the buy button. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully signed up for a YouTube Premium free trial. Enjoy exploring all the fresh new options at your fingertips. Maybe you'll discover new music, binge watch some fantastic original series, or simply enjoy your favorite content without interruptions. My last piece of advice is to mark the date on your calendar so you remember when your trial period ends. This way, you can make an informed decision about whether or not to continue with the service. I hope you enjoy this premium experience and find it enhances your viewing pleasure immensely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this guide helpful.